For analyzing kinetics of rigid bodies, we should learn the concepts of work and energy. Let us see work and energy for rigid bodies. For rigid body, we consider work done by forces and couples. Consider a block pushed by person. When a person applies force towards a block, then the block is displaced. We can say that work done is force into displacement. This work done is considered as positive when force and displacement both are in the same direction. When a block of mass m falling from height h, then work done by gravitational force is equal to mgh, where g is acceleration due to gravity. Let us assume a vehicle moving on straight road. Here, wheel moves in forward direction, and frictional force is acting in the opposite direction to the motion of vehicle. Therefore, work done is negative. A block is sliding on an inclined plane at a distance s. Work done for a block sliding on an inclined plane is product of minus mu mg cos alpha s. Let us see work done by a couple. Suppose two equal and opposite forces F act tangentially to a wheel and rotate it through an angle theta, then work done is equal to moment into angle theta. This is considered as positive if direction of m and the direction of rotation both are in the same sense. The kinetic energy of a rigid body is two types of kinetic energy, such as kinetic energy of translation and kinetic energy of rotation. By studying this topic, we understand the forces acting on rigid body, also work done and energy produced in different motion.